Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 not launching. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to background apps, turn off this option, go back and then go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here in Windows Update Settings. Then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, make sure you have the latest update, and after that right click on Call of Duty, then properties, compatibility, and enable those three options. Select Windows 8, click apply and OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like. See you in the next video.